Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, this is an introduction and later on the tutorial will be uploaded. So this is a filter dashboard and the difference is this is a multiple selection. This is an enum list type. So let's say here, I need a report for this particular person. Let's say here start date, end date. I need particular report for Jane and the payment type, let's say I need cash. Then I go here, it's showing cash is the report. And let's say I need also the card transaction for this particular user, and I can see there is a card transaction. If I add a person, say I'm going to add Joe, and then I can see the transaction of Joe for cash and card as well. I can add multiple filter conditions here, and as you can see, and then payment type, let's say I'm gonna add bank transfer, and it shows as well that there is a bank transfer for the specific cashier. So this is just an introduction, and I'm gonna upload very soon the tutorial on how to do the enum list filter dashboard. Stay tuned and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and just wait for the tutorial. See you next time. Bye bye.